Hello students, welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Maua, subject English, Standard 8, revision section for Unit Test 2, the Tannetar Fair. So my dear students, I hope you are preparing well for second unit test. We have already completed revision section of Unit 4 and 5. Today, in this session, we will revise Chapter 6, the Tannetar Fair. First of all, Activity 4. Match A with B. First, mundane. The answer is dull or ordinary. Second, whirlwind. The answer is happening very fast. Third, ethnic. The answer is connected with a nation or race or people that shares a cultural tradition. Fourth, unison. The answer is all do something at the same time. Fifth, surge. The answer is quickly and with force in a particular direction. Sixth, spouse. The answer is a husband or wife. Seventh, spontaneous. The answer is not planned. Eighth one, captivating. The answer is enchanting. Ninth, exquisitely. The answer is extremely beautiful or carefully made. Tenth, unique. The answer is one of its kind. 11th, embellishments. The answer is decorations or embroidery. 12th, initiate. The answer is begin or set in motion. 13th, clack. The answer is the sound when hard objects hit each other. 14, incessant. The answer is constant. 15th, potential. The answer is possible. 16, entice. The answer is persuade. This is the end of activity number 4. Activity 5 is the question answer that you read and prepare. Now activity number 6. Given below are some jumbled words. Unscramble them into brackets, spell them correctly and fill in the blanks with the suitable word. All the words are in the text. I will read the correct spelling, the correct pronunciation. Potential, surged, ethnic, unique, entice, and spontaneous. First blank. Many foreigners who visit Gujarat shop for dash clothes and jewelry. The answer is ethnic. Second, the gates open and the crowd dash in waves forward. The answer is surged. Third, the low prices at the exhibition are expected to dash customers. The answer is entice. Fourth, let us train these students well, for they are our dash leaders. The answer is potential. Fifth, The audience was so taken up by the comedians that they burst out into dash applause. The answer is spontaneous. 6. Each one's fingerprints are dash. The answer is unique. Now activity number 7. A brain teaser. Find the answers from the clues given. Use the words in sentences of your own. All the words are in the text. First one. By its initial sound, you are reminded of the first day of the week and the routine ahead. The answer is mundane. Second, bang two hard objects and there you have it. Answer is clack. Third, for better or for worse, they are with each other always. Spouses. Fourth, in the monsoon, it may describe the rain. In the factory, the noise. At the wedding reception, the music. The answer is throbbing. Fifth, it is never separate or one after the other, always together. The answer is unison. 6. Begin with a headgear. Go to a drink or beverage and then keep waiting. The answer is captivating. Now let us see activity number 8. Use the correct form of the word. First, every year in fair seems to grow in dash. Into bracket, popularity, popular, popularized. So the answer is popularity. Next, every year the fair seems to become more dash. In this, answer is popular. Second, here the many dash costumes create a memorable scene. Into bracket, colors, colored, colorful. The answer is colored. Next, here the costumes of different dash create a memorable scene. The answer is colors. Third, it is a dash to wear that attire. Into bracket, traditional, tradition, traditionally. The answer is tradition. Next, they wear their dash attire. The answer is traditional. Fourth, the girl is dash seeking a husband. Into bracket, probability, probably, probable. The answer is probably. And next, it is dash that the girl is seeking a husband. The answer is probable. Now fifth, there are tattoo artists who dash a large variety of visitors. Into bracket, attractive, attraction, attract. The answer is attract. Next, there are tattoo artists who become and dash for a large variety of visitors. The answer is attraction. Sixth, their dash is to entice the girls. Into bracket, intention, intentionally, intend. The answer is intention. Next, they dash to entice the girls. The answer is intent. And last one, they wear their clothes and headgear to dash the girls. Into bracket, impressive, impression and impress. The answer is impress. And next and last, they wear their clothes and headgear to make an dash on the girls. The answer is impression. So today till here we will see we have completed our revision session. So prepare well, study well, get good result. So best wishes to all my dear students. Thank you very much.